Hi guys, I welcome you to my channel. My name is Lord Spyro. Recently I made a video about how you can make free 50 cedis daily on palmpay app, and you can check the video out in the description. I'm going to leave the link to the video in the description. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse your airtime. Maybe mistakenly you have sent an airtime and you wanted to reverse it to your mobile money or to money. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. And without me wasting my time, let's go into our app. And the app we are going to use to reverse the money is called palmpay. The same app that you can make money on every day. This is the same app that you are going to use. So if you open your palmpay app, this is going to be the interface. So you are going to click on recharge to cash and to bring you here. So you click on go. Then it is going to send you a notification with a code. So you copy the code and put it inside the place where they wrote enter the verification code. Maybe in case you waited for so long and the code is not coming, you click on resend code. And if you click on resend code, it's going to reload. Then the code will be sent to the phone number. Now let's wait, and within some few seconds the code will be in, and we copy it and paste it. So now the code is in and we have to copy the code, and the code is there. So we copy the code, and after that we input the code. So I've copied the code. This is the code I'm typing, and I click on login. So it is going to log me in. It is going to log me in because we are reversing the money back to our Momo. And you can see it. This is my airtime that I have. I have 11 cedis, 14 pesos airtime. So I want to reverse 10 cedis. So I will type in 10 cedis. Then I will sell the airtime, because it is airtime I have, which is 11 cedis. So I'm selling the airtime, selling 10 cedis airtime. And one thing I noticed about them is that their fee is within 25 to 28%, which I think is too huge. But if mistakenly you send airtime which is supposed to be money, you don't have any choice. So you just have to take the airtime like that, or you reverse it with the fee. So as I'm sending the 10 cedis, the amount I'll be getting when they deduct the 25 to 28%, I'll get 7 cedis, 20 pesos. So you see, so if I like it, then I click on sell. Then I'll input my palmpay code, which I've just input, and then I'll click on OK or sell. Then it is going to load. So let's see if actually we'll be able to sell this money or this credit back to money into our. So it is successful, and let's see if the money will actually come. So 10 cedis credit sold. This is what depositor number. My number is there. The transaction type. The amount sold is 10 cedis, and you can see the message is in now. So let me tap on the message to see if the money is actually in. So I've clicked on the message, and let's see. Let the message open. So you can see payment received for 7 cedis 20 pesos from palmpay. Current balance is this. You can see. So now I've sold 10 cedis and they deducted 2 cedis 80 pesos from it. But in case you will not use this method, just use the manual method, which will not deduct anything from you. So just type in *170, then you send. After that, you click on my wallet, which is number 6. Click on my wallet, then you send. Then you click on airtime, number 7, then you send. Then you see, this is the amount of credit I've sent to this number, 10 cedis. Then I click on 1, then I send. And you can see, please confirm the reversal of 10 cedis airtime to this number. And the fee is how much? 0.00. So this one, you are not going to pay anything. So if you agree, then you click on what? Hashtag, then you click next, then it's going to open. So if you want to confirm, click on 2, and you know me, I've already reversed the money in the palmpay app. So if I click on 2 to confirm, it is not going to give me the money because I've already used it in the palmpay app. So let me see, let me try to click on send to see. I've clicked on that, and you can see your mobile money airtime reversal request has been cancelled. So you see. So guys, this is how you can reverse money or reverse airtime to money, maybe in case you made a mistake. And this is so cool. So depending on what you want, and the palmpay app, it is very good. You can buy airtime. If you buy airtime from the palmpay app, it is going to give you back some money into your account again. Okay, maybe as when you buy credit 10 cedis, it is going to give you 2 cedis back to your account. You buy 15 cedis, you can give like 3 cedis, 20 cedis to give like 5 cedis. So you can check out the video to see, and you can also refer in the palmpay app. And you refer 2 people, you get 20 cedis. You refer 3 people, you get 35 cedis. You refer 4 people, you get like 50 cedis. So you can use this opportunity. You refer and if you will not buy anything, just refer. You can even get a visual card which you can use for your online purchasing for goods and services. So guys, this is so cool. And if you enjoyed this video, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Just do me this favor, please kindly subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate if you do that for me, and God will bless you. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.